Okay guys, today we are going to discuss about cations and anions. Okay, yesterday we discussed about water ions. Today we are discussing about cations and anions. Once again we will recollect the ions. Okay, water ions. Water ions. Charged species are called ions. Water ions. Ions are nothing but charged species are called ions. Ions are nothing but charged species are called ions. Okay? Simple way. What is ion means charged species are called ions. Okay? There are two types of ions. One is cation. Other one is anion. One is cation, other one is anion. Cations are positively charged. Cations are positively charged species, anions are negatively charged species. Cations are positively charged species, anions are negatively charged species. What are ions? Charged species are called ions. There are two types of ions, cations, anions. Cations means positively charged species, anions means negatively charged species are called ions. Okay. Now we'll discuss about cations and anions. We'll discuss about cations and anions. Cations are positively charged species. Cations are positively charged species. Cations are positively charged species. Example, sodium. Okay, example we'll take sodium. Sodium plus means sodium is represented with Na. Okay, you need to learn periodic table and their symbolic forms, atomic weight, atomic number. Okay, sodium like that. Sodium chloride, Cl minus like that. These are the example. Na plus Cl means for anion it will come. Okay, like that. I'll explain you about what is meaning of this. Okay. These are positively charged ions. Example, sodium only we will take. Sodium atomic number 11. Sodium atomic number 11. Okay. To make sodium means you have inert gases. Example, inert gases means helium, nitrogen. Example of inert gases: helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon. These are the inert gases. They are stable gases. We will call inert gases as stable gases because they are stable. These are not stable. These are not stable at all. Only they are stable. So to make this stable, we will keep plus symbol. Means Na plus. To make it stable, Na plus. Plus means loss of electron. Okay, due to the loss of electron. Cation is nothing but due to the loss of electron, cation is formed. Due to the loss of electron, cation is formed. Due to the loss of electron, cation is formed. Okay, I'll explain you. If the how many electrons are in sodium? 11 electrons, 11 protons. Okay, 11 electrons, 11 protons. Okay, we like sodium, Na. Okay, what is atomic number of sodium? 11. Due to the loss of electron, cation is formed. Cation are nothing but due to the loss of electron, cation is formed. Cation is represented with positive symbol. Means due to the loss of electron. If we take one of the electron from the atomic from the sodium, then we will represent Na plus. Okay, we will represent Na plus for sodium. Okay. Not only for sodium, we can represent it for anything. Okay, if there is a loss in electron, we'll write Na plus. Okay, we'll example we'll take as magnesium. Magnesium atomic weight. You should know about the atomic weight. Atomic weight. Something means more. We'll go deeper. Not now. Okay, with atomic name we can do electronic configuration. Now we'll see about atomic number. Magnesium atomic number 12. Due to the loss of electron, cation are formed. Okay, if electron is lost from this, Mg plus will be. If 2 electrons are lost, Mg plus 2. If 3 electrons are lost, Mg plus 3. There is a limit for this. Okay, only 3. Due to the loss of electrons, cations are formed. Example Na. Loss of electron, Na plus. Loss of 2 electrons, Na plus 2. Okay, we can write here also. You may add out only for sodium it will come plus, or Mg it will come plus 2. We will discuss this about later. Okay. If you have doubt means like this. See, why only for sodium plus, why for magnesium plus 2, I will tell you. I told you something about stable. Okay, stable gases I told you. I told you about stable gases, means they are stable. They are stable. Example will take neon. Atomic number 10. Neon atomic number 10. So to make this stable, we will take the round, means round figure of 12, means we will minus 12. What is the nearest? Neon 10. To make this stable, we will take neon, because these are not stable gases. To make it stable, we will take 10. Okay, Mg plus 2 means 10 minus 2. Okay, 12 minus 2 is nothing but it is nearest to the 10. It is nearest to the 10. Okay, Mg now Mg magnesium is stable. Okay, now magnesium is stable. Okay, see, I'll tell you how much. So what we write here? Okay, to make it stable, we will go like this. Okay, see, now you see, one positive, two positive. Okay, to make it stable, we'll represent like this. Okay, cations. Just you don't remember this. Just you blindly remember that due to the loss of electron, cations are formed. I will tell you this about later I'll tell you briefly. Okay, due to the loss of electron, cations are formed. You just remember in your mind about this. Okay, due to the loss of electrons, cations are formed. Okay. Once we'll discuss about anions. Anions are negatively charged. Anions are negatively charged. Cations are positively charged. Anions are negatively charged. Anions are formed due to the gain of electrons. Anions are formed due to the gain of electrons. Anions are formed due to the gain of electrons. For example, Na, if sodium is there, atomic number 11. if it gains one electron, then we will keep minus. Na minus. If it gains one electron, then we will keep Na minus. Sodium minus. Okay. If it lost one electron, then we will keep plus. For loss, if you lost one electron, then we will keep plus. If we gain one electron, then we will keep minus. If you gain one electron, then we will keep minus. Not only for sodium, for everything. Okay, example we'll take again magnesium. Magnesium. If it gain one electron or it gains two electrons, minus 2. If it gains two electrons, minus 2. If it gain one electron, minus 1. Okay. Not only for this, for everything also. If it gains, we will keep. If it will gain, if any element gains electron, then we will keep minus. Okay. Now we discuss about cation, how to make it stable, how to make cation stable. Now we will discuss. Okay, how to make it stable, now we will discuss. Okay, first we will write stable gases. Stable gases means inert gases, means helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, like that. Okay, these are the stable gases. I'll tell you, wait. We'll make a table here. We'll write stable gases. Okay, so first three stable gases we will write. Okay, first one is helium, second one is neon, third one is nothing but argon. Okay, we need to learn 30 elements. Okay, helium, neon, argon. Okay, atomic number of helium 2, atomic number of neon 10, atomic number of argon 18. Okay, okay, now we'll take one example. Okay, now we'll take hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium. Okay, now I'm taking hydrogen. Hydrogen atomic number 1. To make this hydrogen atomic number 1 and to make the hydrogen stable, we need to see here. Okay, hydrogen atomic number 1. So to make it stable means we need to check round figure. Hydrogen 1 after 2, so we need to take, we cannot take bigger number, no, so what we should take 2. Okay, 2. To make it stable, we need to gain one electron, because already one electron is there in hydrogen. Okay, already one electron is there in hydrogen. To make it stable, we need to add one more electron. So hydrogen minus, because gaining of electron will keep minus. This is form of anion. Okay, we'll discuss about cation also. Now we'll discuss about anions. I will tell you. If we gain an electrons, we'll keep anion. Okay, means minus here. Okay, this is gain of electron. This is for anions. Okay, anions means gain of electron is called anion. Okay, H minus. Okay, now it gained one electron. Now what it will be for this? Hydrogen minus means already one electron is here. One more electron is added to this. Now what to? It's now it's stable gas. Okay, now it's stable gas. One more example we'll take. Sodium. I love sodium. Sodium is equal to atomic number 11. How many electrons are there? Electrons are 11. Protons are 11. I told you how many electrons will be same number of protons will also be atomic number. Okay, now 11 electrons, 11 protons. To make it stable, round figure we calculate. Sodium atomic number 11. To make it stable, it is near to neon. How much? 10. Atomic number of neon is 10. Okay, it is near to neon. So now we will write gain of electron or loss of electron. loss of electron. Na plus. To make it stable, we'll keep Na plus. Why? Because it is not stable. To make it stable, we'll keep Na plus. Means loss of electron. Round figure you want to check. 18 is more or 10 is more. 18 is more. So we cannot go till 18. We'll take as round figure 10. Okay. Na plus. So we will take one. We will take out one electron. Now how much it will be? 10. Now it's stable. Okay. It is near to neon. Okay, like that. You can write some more examples of organ also. Like that. Okay, we'll check organ also. If you have doubt about organ, we will check it. Organ. Okay. Example, we will take calcium or potassium. We will take potassium. Atomic number 19. If you want, you can check in periodic table. Potassium, atomic number 19. To make it stable, what we will do? First of all, we need to write how many electrons are there in this. How many electrons? How many electrons are there in this? 19 electrons are there. To make it stable, what we should do? I'll tell you. To make it stable, we need to keep plus or minus. Just I told you. We need to keep plus or minus. We need to keep plus. Okay? Plus. Why? Because plus means loss of electron. 19 minus 1. How much? 18. Now it's stable. This is also stable. Now this is also stable. Okay? We need to keep potassium plus loss of an electron 18. Now it's stable for this. Okay? If you want, we will check calcium also. Atomic number 20. How many electrons are there? 20. How many protons are there? 20. Here also, how many electrons are there? 19. How many protons? 19. Okay? Now we will see. Calcium 20. To make it stable, what we should do? We should take organ. Why? Because round figure we need to take organ. Okay? Organ will come in that round figure. Okay? Now we should write gain of electron or loss of electron.